A bunching machine is an essential piece of equipment in cable manufacturing, designed to combine and twist multiple individual copper wires into a single uniform conductor. During the bunching process, the machine precisely controls the tension and twisting of the wires to achieve consistent lay length, excellent flexibility, and a compact conductor structure. This process is important for producing high-quality electrical and power cables that can deliver reliable performance and durability. With advanced control systems, high production speed, and precise operation, Shineworld Group's bunching machines help cable manufacturers improve production efficiency while maintaining consistent product quality. Whether you are starting a new cable factory or upgrading your existing production line, Shineworld Group provides reliable bunching solutions designed to meet your production needs. Shineworld Group, your one-stop solution for cable manufacturing technology.